Imagine you're planning a business trip. You pull up a chatbot and ask, what are some good hotels near the conference center? In seconds, it fires back a really helpful answer. Pretty standard, right? But what if you wanted the system to actually do the heavy lifting for you? Well, that is exactly what we're exploring in today's Explainer, the real difference between an AI chatbot and an AI agent.
Notice the massive shift in expectation here. A standard interaction gets you an answer to a single question. But what if you gave a broader goal? Imagine asking, find the best flight, compare 3 hotels, check my calendar, prepare an itinerary, and organize everything for my approval. A standard chatbot can explain how to do these things, but an AI agent actually rolls up its sleeves and works through all those multiple steps for you.
Honestly, the best way to think about this is super simple. A chatbot is an advisor, but an AI agent is an operator. An advisor provides information and recommendations. They tell you what you should do. An operator takes your goal, organizes the work, and physically moves the entire process forward to a completed result. So by definition, an AI agent is a system that uses an AI model to pursue a goal, make decisions, use tools, and take actions with some level of autonomy. While a chatbot primarily responds to isolated requests in the moment, an agent is continuously working toward a broader, overarching goal.
Okay, so how does this actually work? It boils down to 5 essential steps. First, you provide a clear goal. Second, the agent creates or follows a plan. Third, it uses authorized tools. Fourth, it takes a permitted action. And fifth, it checks the final result. It's dynamically breaking a big objective down into manageable steps.
Now, AI models can't just act out in the wild. To get things done, they must connect to authorized external tools. We're talking about web search, calendars, email, documents, databases, APIs, and tools connected through systems like MCP. The agent only acts through the explicit permissions and digital systems it's been given.
And this is where human oversight is absolutely crucial. Before an agent takes consequential actions like booking, making a payment, sending external messages, deleting information, or changing important systems, it needs a visible human approval checkpoint. It still needs you to step in and say yes. This approval process ties directly into the agent's feedback loop. After taking an action, the agent checks the result to decide whether to continue, change its plan, ask for your approval, or stop entirely. If an action fails, it simply loops back and revises its strategy until successful.
So why does all this matter? Well, agents are transforming personal productivity, business workflows, customer service, multi-step research, and complex software development. It's a massive shift from simply generating information to executing multi-step professional tasks, allowing you to effectively delegate entire workflows.
Before we wrap up, let's clear up 2 common misunderstandings. First, an AI agent is not simply a chatbot with a fancy new name. The distinction isn't absolute. Some modern chatbots can use tools, but chatbots are primarily centered on interaction and response, while agents are centered on goal-directed execution across multiple steps. Second, agents are not automatically reliable, fully autonomous, or free from human oversight.
Ultimately, it comes down to this memorable takeaway. A chatbot gives answers, but an AI agent gets things done. Remember, the more it can do, the more important permissions, safeguards, and human oversight become. Hopefully, you can walk away from this explainer saying, now I finally understand the difference between an AI chatbot and an AI agent.